Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. So excited about our new listing located at 10111 Inverness Main Street, Unit 411. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condo on the top floor with a little over 1,100 square feet. Let's take a look around. Conveniently located in the Denver Tech Center, you have shopping, restaurants, entertainment just outside your door. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this your own. If you have any questions or you'd like to have a showing, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to take you around.